Have you been searching for the perfect luxury sedan with safety, reliability, and space for the whole family? Take a look at this 2019 Cadillac XTS Luxury in Red Horizon. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, dual outlet stainless steel exhaust, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 38,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5660.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.